Hey guys, my name is Max. Welcome to my movie channel. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing a box that I got from my buddy, Us Only, UxSx Only. He recently opened up an online store and he sells a lot of cool stuff on his website. This is his website right here. You can see, hold on one second, Underworld Subroxxa. So, pretty excited. Check out this tape. I mean, that is really cool right there. Look at the box. I mean, you can't get much cooler than that. Definitely check out his website if you're into like underground DVDs, horror merchandise, clothing, t-shirts, hats, whatever it may be. I honestly don't want to open this thing because I don't want to cut it open, but I'm gonna have to cut it open. I don't want to mess up the packaging, but you got to. Looking forward to opening this. Me and him, we've collaborated on some songs you guys have probably heard. Well, you've definitely heard Disgusted. That was a cool song that we did together. And we also did another song. I haven't released it yet. You know what? I really can't figure out this box. I'm just going to tear it. We did another song called No Mercy, coming out on my second album. So look out for that. And alright guys, we are now opening the box. Finally got it open. Oh shit. What? Look at this. I got one of my man's CDs. What? How raw is that? That is dope. That is really cool. Memento Mori. Memento Mori. That is fucking cool. Holy shit, man. I'm going to bump this in my ride. I promise you I'm going to bump this tomorrow. The whole way there. The whole way. And back from work. Let's see what else we got. Oh, shit. Here we go again with a little surprise here. Cold Skin. Excellent. Looks really cool. You got Ray Stevenson in here. You guys remember Ray Stevenson? He was in Dexter. He was season 7, I think it was. He was also the one that took over the role of the Punisher after Thomas Jane dipped out. Punisher Warzone wasn't that great, but he was a pretty good, pretty intimidating Punisher. I'll give him that. That is really cool. And look, On Us. Check it out. Bam. I did not order this. I didn't order this one. So I'm super excited. Let me be quite honest with you guys. I didn't order this either. I'm not sure, he might have just sent it to me because we worked together on music. Which, either way, I mean, I'm super happy to have this. I've been wanting a CD of his, so now I have one. And dude, look how professional this is. This isn't like that thin, the thin jewel case like I got, you know. But I'm going to try to pop out something like this. This is nice. Alright, let's keep going. Oh shit, what is this? My man is gonna give me some acid reflux. Ass kicking chile lime popcorn. You know, it's crazy. So I live here in Florida and I'm very accustomed to the Latino cuisine. And I speak Spanish fluently. Tengo dos lenguas, right? I'm not bilingual. And the spice train, like, I'm okay with spicy stuff, but if I eat like 3 Takis, I'm dead, you know. So I'm gonna try the popcorn. Maybe I'll make a separate video where I actually try this stuff, and you guys can laugh at me while I cry. That'll be cool. Hey man, this is great so far, bro. Holy shit. Look at this, bro. Stickers. Dog. I'm going to put these on my toolbox at work. I'm honestly, bro, I got an interview almost lined up with Mercedes-Benz, and I will stick each and every single one of these on my toolbox. I'll make it look crazy in there. Thank you so much, bro. That is awesome. Hella lot of stickers. Let's open them up. Screw it, man. Let's see what we got in here, man. Now, I'm super excited, bro. This is really legit. Alright, here we go. Got Leave Me Alone. Nice. That's pretty much how I look when I wake up every morning. Oh, man. Look at that. Extreme Media. They look at that with the flower and shit. The rose. Eyeball drooping out. Got the cerebrum cracked open, bloody cleaver. Oh, thank you for your purchase. Us only. Check it out. Please leave a moment of feedback. Twitter or YouTube. Will do. Promise you that. And then, of course, we got Us Only sticker. Official. It is official, bro. This is insane. I haven't even gotten to the stuff I ordered yet. I mean, I'm serious. This is really cool. Oh, my God, bro. You did too much, dog. You did way too much for me, man. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. And I'm still pulling out stuff. What is this? Holy smokes. What am I looking at here? Look at how creepy that is, bro. That is awesome. You got like a decapitated head, a zombie ghoul guy. Let's see what else, man. Looks like he's in a barrel of acid with the acid pouring out all over. That is raw. It says extreme, right? XTREME. Extreme Team. There we go. Extreme Team. Hell yeah, bro. I couldn't figure it out at first, but damn, that's raw right there. Let's see what else we got. Ooh, I wonder what this is. I think I know what this is. I think that this is a poster for Headless. Oh, I just spoiled what I ordered, but either way. Yeah, buddy. Headless, man. I remember seeing this, bro, in all of your live chats on Instagram. Oh, I was like, bro, what's up with that poster? And he's like, bro, you'll find out soon. Check it out. Underworld Subroxxa. Dope. This is awesome, bro. And look, he has Headless etched into his blade. Now, I haven't really heard about this Headless movie. I'm not gonna lie, I did some research on YouTube. I watched a couple of reviews with no spoilers and shit. It sounds raw. It's basically, from what I understand, it is like a throwback to like a 70s slasher type stuff. But it was made recently in modern times. So I'm looking forward to seeing that. Should be crazy with the special effects. You know what I mean? And here we have the movie itself, Headless. I like this right here. You got, you know, the killer guy following this little dude. It's a skeleton guy. That's that skeleton guy that I was seeing on the review that I've watched. And then here's the back. There he is again. And man, that guy looks raw, bro. What's the tagline? Without faces, we are free. That is raw. So yeah, this was released right here. You probably can't tell. 2015 right here. All right, it's 86 minutes. I'm looking forward to watching this, bro. And we're not done yet. We got a couple more things here. Actually, I'm not bad. We got one more thing here. Very excited. Super excited. This is official right here, bro. Look at this. T-shirt. Check that tag. Underworld Subroxxa. Look at that. Headless. Hell yeah, bro. What? That is sick. Let me open this thing out, man. I'm having a good day, bro. This is really good. This is phenomenal, bro. I'm going to post this video in the morning. I was supposed to record it earlier, but I was kind of feeling under the weather, bro. I'm feeling better now, like a little bit, but I was like, I don't know. Oh, shit. Look at this, bro. All right, I'm going to show you the whole thing first. Look at this. You got Headless right here, holding up a dead person's head. All right. Headless. Wait for it. Wait for it. I'm rolling it up. Look at that. Oh, shit. Look at that. Boom. Us only. That's official. That is official. That is insane, bro. This is awesome, bro. I mean, honestly, you guys, honest to God, for what I paid, this whole thing is just amazing, bro. The shirt, the DVD, the posters, the stickers, the album. I mean, shit, man. This is crazy, bro. Let me go over it all over again, bro. So we got the Headless DVD. He actually told me that this is his favorite Extreme movie, by the way. I forgot to mention. So I'm looking forward to checking it out. Right now, my favorite Extreme movie is American Guinea Pig, Bouquet of Guts and Gore. So maybe this will change. You know, who knows? I'm going to tell you. I'll watch it and I'll let you know. We got that movie. We have this poster here. Let me pop it down again one more time for you. Scary guy, creepy guy. Us only right there. Yep, Headless. So we got the shirt, the DVD, the poster. We got this here, the Extreme Team. Look at that. That is sick. That is really fresh, bro. I like that a lot. I might put that on my wall, bro, for real. Get a frame right quick. I think that'll look nice. Then we got the stickers here. Right here we got, the Extreme Team sticker. Then we got Us Only. Then we got the Leave Me Alone sticker. This is literally a true representation of me. You know what I mean? Just trying to chill. You know what I mean? So I got them stickers. These are going on my toolbox for work. No joke. Putting them on there. Got the popcorn. I'm going to try this out. Hopefully I can eat it. I'm going to eat it either way. I'm going to make a video about this. I will. Alright. Looking forward to it. Then we got the Cold Skin DVD right here. Ray Stevenson. I don't know the other people. David Oakes and Aurora Garrido. I'm not sure who they are, but I'm gonna check this out. It looks raw. Alright, it's about a desolate island. Say no more. I'm there. And then we got the album, the Memento Mori. Excuse me, I said that wrong. Memento Mori. I said Memento Mori. Looking forward to this. Let me tell you. Oh, and look at that, bro. I didn't even realize that there were two hands holding the rose out there. That is fresh, bro. I'm really looking forward to listening to this. I'm going to bump it in the car on my way to work tomorrow. Bro, I'm telling you. I'm going to do that. Honest to God, guys, this is excellent. Truly remarkable. Check out my buddy. That's the website you go to. Underworld.subroxxa.com. Okay, check them out on YouTube, Us Only. Check them out on Instagram, Us Only. That's spelling right here, UxSx only. And guys, order from him. I'm telling you, you're gonna have a really good experience. Honestly, nothing could have prepared me for opening this box. It was so good. Amazing quality on everything. I love it. Bro, thank you so much. This is a really long video, bro. Totally worth it. Look at this shit. I mean, that is raw. Everything that came, I love it, bro. And thank you for this, bro. I probably cannot eat this. I'm just being real. But I'm gonna try it. I will try it. I'll try it. I promise. I'll make the video. Alright, man. Hey, thanks for everything. This is phenomenal. And look at this. I gotta go back to the box. Look at that. Look at how masterful it is. This is legit. He's legit. He's legit. Alright, so check him out. Thanks for watching. When I do a review, fuck it, I'm gonna do a review. I'm gonna eat this popcorn too. I'm gonna do it on the day that I have off, the next day, just in case, you know, my stomach, you know what I mean? Because I have acid reflux already. So when I eat this, bro, I'm gonna eat it though. Watch, you'll see me. Hey man, thanks for everything. Phenomenal, super excited. Guys, check him out, order, do all that stuff. Subscribe to him on YouTube, on Instagram. He's a cool guy, chill guy. Check out our song if you hadn't heard it already. It's on this channel, Max's Movie channel. It's called Disgusted. And then we have another song that's coming out. We haven't released it yet because I gotta work on my part on the hook. I didn't mix my vocals on the hook right. When I do that, it's coming out. It's called No Mercy, and he is spitting fire. So am I. So check out our songs, follow him, order from his website. You will not regret it. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.